naisipan kong gawin yung mga old songs na kinakanta ko way back kapag nagkakaraoke kami ng daddy ko, ganyan. And yeah, it's more of like a revival songs din talaga. It's more of like classic songs. Para marinig naman ng, ma-share ko yung music ko in my way of singing classic songs. More Than Words, the one I'm gonna be releasing tonight, I chose that because it means so much to me and lagi ko siyang kinakanta sa mga karaoke.
How did you come up with the 5 songs? Sa dami mong kino-cover in your social media. Paano mo na-come up yung 5? Yung
5 songs, well, isa-isay natin yun. I feel like ayun yung mga malalapit din sa akin and sa family ko. They know Brian McKnight, they're a big fan of it. And yeah, lagi ko siyang kinakanta po talaga sa mga karaoke, especially nalagay pag may karaoke, kinakanta ko siya. And just put on those songs, those 5 songs specifically.
Reflecting on your birthday, tingin mo, how far have you gone sa career mo and ano pa yung mga dinidream mo pang ma-achieve?
Well, I think bago pa lang din naman ako, matagal-tagal na, but then I'm still looking forward for more projects and para ma-share pa natin yung music natin maybe all throughout the world, di ba? Hindi lang sa Pilipinas, hopefully internationally din. And yeah.
Meron ka na rin bang music video for the song?
Music video po, wala pa po. Pero meron na akong visualizers for More Than Words na i-release natin tonight din also. Pero for the 4 songs, wala pa po tayong music video. Sana po, abangan niyo.
Patrick, kanina sabi mo kabadong-kabado ka, pero di ba parang sanay ka naman on stage sa mga provincial shows and...
Yeah, I was saying kanina kapag mga close friends and families, sas ganito ka-intimate, parang nanginginig talaga ako, hindi ko alam kung bakit. But then, I think we just finished the whole show and I'm very happy na natapos natin ng kahit pa paano maayos.
Bakit pala yun yung song na dedicated mo for your grandmother?
Yung Your Song.
Your Song.
Because if you listen to it, parang siya, it's more of like, just loving someone unconditionally. And I love my grandma, so she's very, very special.
So you consider yourself a Lola's boy?
Yes, actually.
Okay. Patrick, you mentioned na yung mga songs na yun, you used to sing that in
karaoke po. Yes.
So, what's different dito na sa mga nilabas mo ng mga kanta? Anong binago mo sa mga kanta? Or it's the same yung paano mo kinanta siya doon?
Yung mga songs po na kinanta natin kanina, you listen to it, parang ibang version po, di ba? So I wanted to put it in today's sound. And kung ano man makakaya ko as a musician, to put like those yung mga ad-libs, ganyan. So,
possible na ma-cover mo na cover
sorry, what was that?
OPM songs.
OPM songs. Oh, I wanna listen to I wanna
Madami ba?
Sobrang dami, pero siguro OPM, Original Pinoy music, ang dami naman, sobrang dami. Siguro isa na doon.
Mahilig ka sa South Border
South
sa mga
Borders,
covers mo
yes,
sa social media.
Borders. Siguro yung kay Sir Gary Valenciano, How Did You Know? Ayun talaga yung isa sa gusto kong i-cover next. Ayun yung target ko. Ayun yung nasa isa sa listahan ko ngayon for the next songs that I'm gonna do cover.
Any artist na you want to collaborate?
Sir Gary Valenciano. My idol. Sir Gary Valenciano.
Patrick, yung style mo talaga is more of soul, R&B.
Soul, R&B type ballad.
With the emergence of, the pop vibe because of the OPM, mga boy bands and girl group, would you think parang gusto mo rin magkaroon ng ganong klaseng influence in your music?
To be part of P-pop?
Hindi naman. I mean, yung ganong vibe na masyadong ma-P-pop yung vibe ng song, you think when you come up with original songs in the future, ma-influence ka rin ng ganong level of type of music?
Yeah, I'm very open with it. And I feel like, di ba, but hindi natin i-maximize yung musicality natin as an artist. Yeah.
Okay.
So, would you say na mas focus ka with music this year or you will still do some acting projects?
I hope kung mayroon mang opportunities na dumating na that me and my management will agree on sa acting career ko. Bakit hindi? Pero right now, ang priority natin is launching some singles and stuff.
Okay. If there's a song that would describe Patrick's birthday right now, what would it be and why?
A song?
Yeah.
Ang hirap naman to.
Okay, sige lang. Bigyan ka namin ng time.
Wait lang. Siguro, I don't know. What song ba?
I mean, yung na-describe ng life mo right now when you're celebrating your birthday.
Siguro, Your Song. Yung kinanta ko rin kanina from my family, from my lola. I feel like that's a very, very nice song to describe my birthday today.
Your life right now.
My life
song.
right now, yes. Just being positive and just accepting all the challenges that God has put in you. And yeah.
Okay, that's a good song.
It's a good song. It's a very good song. It's by Elton John. It's my idol.
It reminds me of Moulin Rouge a lot. Yes, of course.
May plan ka ba to tour anywhere in the Philippines or yung maging front act din sa mga concert, also to promote your music?
I don't have a plan yet, but sana magkaroon po tayo ng plano to just to roam around the Philippines to have a concert kasi meron din namang may nagbe-message din po sa akin na mga taga ibang city like Davao, sa Cebu, and I hope I get to see them also and them for them to see me perform live po. Hopefully.
Okay. Congratulations.
Thank you so much.